Hello and welcome back. Today we're at the Ai Hotel Nihonbashi in Tokyo, Japan, and we are actually in the middle of a Typhoon Hagibis. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, it's a typical business hotel in Tokyo, Japan, and kind of unique feature about this hotel is that the room is quite large. The bed is kind of your typical single bed you're offered in Tokyo business hotels. You get your pajamas. Above is power outlets and your light switches. But you can see it's kind of quite large for a Japanese hotel room, like the width of the room and also the general dimensions. You can see that's the front door, and then the entryway is quite wide as well. We'll go through the features as usual. Air conditioner, manually controlled. You have a remote control for heating and cooling. You have your very large flat screen TV, kind of also a unique feature. Of course, your refrigerator, and I have stocked up because of the typhoon. Maybe you can't go out today and tomorrow, so of course some food and beverages and instant noodles. They have your guides for your room entertainment, how to operate the air conditioner, how to operate the TV, tissues, remote control for the air conditioner, remote control for the TV, and they give your, of course, check-in, check-out time, the Wi-Fi, and also they don't do room service like you'd normally have. They do change your towels and they'll take out your garbage, but the vacuuming and changing your linens and such is offered for a fee. That may be cost saving or energy saving, I'm not sure. The desk, you push this little button and then you can lift up the desk for a mirror, and then your hair dryer is here. Ooh, the chair has rollers on it, so you can easily roll it in and out from the desk. Of course, a trash can, and drawer here just has your LAN cable if you need it, and drawer here has your feedback sheet and then hotel guide and laundry bag. Of course, you get a phone and desk light and clock. Coming over here, we have a very large cabinet with not much in it. It's just the cup and the hot water kettle and some tea, I believe. Yes, some tea. There's your hot water kettle. Coming over to the wardrobe, quite large with a full-length mirror, hangers, air freshener, extra pillow and blanket. There is no in-room safe, which is kind of odd, but they do give you 2 slippers and then 1 pair of temporary disposable slippers. Another odd thing, you have to use a physical key to open the room, even though they do have an automatic lock, and there's actually the card for what used to be the working automatic lock, I'm guessing, but they do give you a physical key, and you just use that in the bottom of the lock here. There's a hole on the bottom on the outside. I'm not going to go outside because typhoon. If you do want the room service, then you put the magnet on the outside and they'll come clean your room. You do have to prepay for that service though. Bathroom, very typical Japanese style hotel bathroom. Toilet seat with a bunch of fancy functions, as you can see here. The door is folding to save room. And then I've started to stack my towels up there, but they do change your towels daily. And then your in-room amenities, which you get 1 set of. They don't replenish them. As I mentioned before, they don't do the normal room service, but toothbrush, hairbrush, razor, and washing towel. The soap, shampoo, and conditioner are the big bottles you see there. And then the shower head with the faucet where you turn the water from the sink to the shower head. The mirror, and you have an extra roll of toilet paper as well up on the shelf. Here's the fan, so to the left is on, and then 0 is off, and then you can set it for like a certain amount of minutes, I guess, on and off for the light. And that's about it. The bed is pretty comfortable. I slept really well last night. I was quite exhausted from sightseeing. Overall, the hotel is okay. Again, it's got a couple little quirks and special features, but I got the hotel for a very good rate online. One, the typhoon season is still in effect, and two, there's been a huge boycott both ways between Japan and Korea. I live in Korea, so the price I got was fantastic, actually. The location of the hotel is between a number of different train stops and subway stops, so if you need a convenient location, I'd consider this one. It's in a very quiet neighborhood, but if you'd rather be near the action of restaurants and shopping, maybe this isn't for you, but if you want a quiet place to rest after sightseeing, I'd give it a try. This is non-smoking, but there are smoking rooms available. And I'd say the overall cleanliness is good. Again, the room housekeeping is limited, but if you're overall not gonna be messing up the room too much, no problem there. I'm staying 5 nights. Maybe if you stayed longer, you'd want them to actually make up the room, maybe change the linens once. So anyway, as usual, if you have any questions about this hotel or any other hotel I've shown on my channel, just let me know in the comments, and we'll have more content for you very shortly.